Here we go, final section of chapter 10, section 10.8, equations of circles. We've done equations about lines, found slope and y-intercept and all that stuff. Now we're going to write an equation of a circle and be able to graph it. So here's our equation for our circle, right there. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center of our circle will be known as h comma k. And I'll show you how that all fits together as we fill these out. So you're going to be given the center and the radius, and you got to write the equation. All right, so I'm going to write that equation again. Right up here, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to label this. So we're going to label this as h. We're going to label -4 as k because that's the center. And the radius is 1. What does that look like? Well, if h equals 2, I just plug it in. So x minus 2 squared plus y. Now, when I have a negative, it's going to be like that. Squared equals 1 squared, which is 1. So that is the equation of my circle. Let me go back to here. Sorry, I should have explained this. So I'm going to plug in for k. I am going to plug in y minus -4 because k is -4. And it's going to end up being y plus 4. Okay, let's label these again. H, k. So once again, it's going to be x minus -2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 5 squared, which is 25. And then we make that a positive. Okay, so it's x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. All right. So once again, let me write the equation here. Okay, so we have h, we have k, x minus 6 squared plus y plus 4 squared, and then I take 2 squared and I get 4. So that's pretty much how we're writing it out. If I go down to the graph here, okay, I find my point. I find that point right there. And I find that's at -2, -1. So center is -2, -1. Okay, and my radius is, I just count from the middle to the edge, is 2. So I get x plus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. Once again, here's h, here's k. X plus 5 squared plus y minus 9 squared equals 16. 4 squared is 16. We're going to look here. We're going to find the center. The center is 1, 3. Radius is, if I count from center to the point, it's 3. So I have x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, that's all we have for now. If you have any questions, please let me know.